Hello everyone, today we are going to discuss a very important topic from prelims point of view. This is from modern Indian history. The topic is important conspiracies during the British rule. So let us begin. The first important conspiracy is the Alipur conspiracy of 1908. This is also known as the Emperor versus Aurobindo Ghosh case. And this was a case for the attempt on life of the presidency magistrate Douglas Kingsford in Muzaffarpur by Khudiram Bose and Prafulla Chake. And it didn't go well, and instead of him, some ladies were killed. So Prafulla Chake, he did suicide, and Khudiram Bose, he was later caught by police and he was hanged. In this case, the accused were Aurobindo Ghosh, Baran Ghosh, he was brother of Aurobindo Ghosh, and 38 other nationalists of Anushilan Samiti. And most of them were arrested from Baran Ghosh Garden on Murari Pukur Road in Maniktola suburb of Calcutta. That is why this conspiracy is also known as Murarikpur Pukur conspiracy or Maniktola bomb conspiracy case. So this is the first important conspiracy. Now coming on to the second conspiracy, Peshawar conspiracy case of 1922. Herein the trials were against Mujahirs Muslims. The Muslims went to the Mujahirs of Muslims, they went to Russia because they were interested in the communist revolution in Russia, where they get trained and later on they returned back to India. So they were tried because they were sneaking in India from Russia in order to start a communist revolution in India. And it is not a single case, there were 5 cases which continued from 1922 to 1927. So this is Peshawar conspiracy. This is related to communist. The spelling is wrong, communist. Now the third conspiracy, Kanpur conspiracy case of 1924. This was again related to communism. The newly emerged communists in India were execrated by the British. The names of few of them being M.N. Roy, Muzaffar Ahmad, S.A. Danj, Shaukat Usmani, Nalini Gupta, Singer Ravelu, Chetiyar, Ghulam Hussain. They were caught by the government and tried for conspiracy against the government. And what was the charges? They were charged to deprive the King Emperor of his sovereignty of British India by complete separation of India from imperialist Britain by a violent revolution. So this is the Kanpur conspiracy. Another important conspiracy is the Meerut conspiracy case of 1929. This was the conspiracy of the British government against the rise of communism in India. They were arrested and trials of 31 leading communist, trade unionist and left-wing leaders. They were tried at Meerut in the famous Meerut conspiracy case. And few of them being Muzaffar Ahmed, S.A. Danj, S.V. Ghate, Dr. G. Adhikari, P.C. Joshi, S.S. Mirajkar, Shaukat Usmani, Philip Strutt, etc. They were arrested on the charge of conspiracy to overthrow the British government of India through strikes and other militant methods. So these were the important conspiracies. Any of them could be asked in the prelim exam. Thank you.